Can you step forward please? Our candidate number 10. Grabe. Halos lahat ng tao kanina nung kumakanta siya. Talagang no question at all. So, ano yung nararamdaman ng ating best in talent ngayon?
Feel a bit nervous and also masaya kasi tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung show and napapasaya natin yung audience at ayun naman ang mahalaga.
So, ayan na. Thank you so much, candidate number 10.
Of course, meron din tayo dito, our candidate number 5. What are you feeling tonight? Come here on stage. Ayan.
I'm feeling grateful po since natuloy yung show kahit madaming problema. And I'm grateful din sa family ko kasi nandito sila and yung mga pinsan.
Laban lang. Even though madaming obstacles, madaming challenges, basta ang mahalaga nagpapatuloy.
Tama, partner. And I think wag na natin patagalin pa. Let us all proceed to our announcement of our top 5. So, eto na ang ating exciting part. Unahin na natin na i-pick ang ating female candidates muna. Okay, unahin natin ang ating female candidates. Kasi for sure, excited na sila at the same time kinakabahan. Which is ako rin. Kinakabahan ako kung sino ang makakapasok sa ating female candidate. Again, let us all remind everyone that this is in no particular order. Okay? So let us all call the top 5 finalists in female category. Starting with candidate. Congratulations because you are in top 5 candidate number. Sino? Congratulations candidate number 6.
You will also proceed to the top 5. Candidate number 9.
Makakahinga ka na rin ng maluwag because you are in top 5. Candidate number 0. Congratulations, candidate number 11.
Down to the 2 spots left. Sino ang gusto ng mga taga-Binangonan? You will continue your journey. Candidate number 5.
And ito na, last spot for our female candidates. Reminder lang sa ating mga candidates na you already prove yourself. Whatever happens, you guys are already able. Okay? Ayan ha? So, ayan. Sino or kanino nararapat ang ating last spot? Congratulations! Because you are in top 5 candidate number congratulations candidate number 10. beautiful.
Your journey continues. Candidate number 10.
We already have here our 3 finalists to our male categories. And the 4th spot belongs to you. Sino sa tingin nyo ang pang-apat na makakapasok sa ating male candidates? Congratulations! Because you are still in the competition. Candidate number 11.
And the final spot is, again, reminder to all the candidates, this is just another journey to begin with and continue chasing your dreams. And the next and last candidate to proceed for the final 5 is candidate number 9.
And here are our top 5 for male and female categories of the faces of Binangonan. And sa mga hindi naman po nakapasok, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. And you guys are all winners already. Congratulations everyone.
Congratulations to our final 5 on both male and female categories. Okay, for our male candidates, we would like for you to exit on stage because we will be having our Q&A or final segment for the female candidates. Okay? From our top 5 candidates.
But first, let us all announce a special event na mangyayari, okay? This is the Mr. and Miss Lakan Bini. Be the first Mr. and Miss Lakan Bini. So sa mga hindi nakapasok dyan, pwede po, feel free to join. Ayan, you are invited to our second screening on March 29, 2025 at Gaisano Capital Mall, Kalumpang, Binangonan, Rizal. Date is Saturday, March 29, 2025, and this pageant is open to ages 17 to 25 years old and no residency required. So don't forget to bring your 3-hour close-up photo and your birth certificate. So ayan na, Mr. and Miss Lakan Bini, where your beauty inspires and your confidence reigns. So ayan, this is where it gets exciting right now.
Yes. Okay, and what's more exciting is that back to zero tong segment na to. So, kailangan galingan ng ating mga candidates.
So ayan na, for your information sa everybody, yung mga special award kanina is disregard mo yun, okay? mag-check na natin dito yung kanilang intelligence and how well they present themselves or how well they express themselves. And for instruction, babasahin ko yung question and then bibigyan namin kayo ng 1 minute to write your answer, okay? Finish or not finish, pass your paper pala to, okay? Ayan, 1 minuto lang tayo dito, ha? Are you guys ready? Ready na? Okay? Wait lang daw. Okay, ayan, wait lang, ha? Again, bibigyan namin kayo ng 1 minute to answer or to express your opinion about this question. And then right after that, kapag tapos na kayo or hindi man, you have to pass your answer, okay? So are we guys ready? I will read the question in English and then I will translate it in Tagalog, okay? And for the clarification of everyone, feel free to express your answer in your chosen language. So kahit Tagalog or English, walang problema. Basta may express nyo yung sagot mo. Yun naman yung importante. Kung gusto mo Mandarin, pwede naman. Sige. Are we guys ready?